Hi, Tori. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a family-owned digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. And so, contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to be playing the game of whoever paid the most money this month gets the best leads, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. They're your leads because it's your site. So I have your Facebook page pulled up here, and I'd like to say that I'm glad to see that you let everybody know, hey, I'm a realtor. So that's really good. Believe it or not, a lot of realtors that are trying to make money online don't even have on their Facebook page that they are realtors. So you do, and I'm happy to see that. A couple things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content, or citations, I'm sorry. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. All those places are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Houston, Texas Realtors. We got Norhill Realty, we got First Texas Realtors, and we got Houston Properties Team, okay? So these are obviously the top three dogs. This is obviously where everybody strives to be, but as long as you're on the first page, that's good. So this is what we like to call a GMB. Now, if you notice down here, there is a couple places. This is what we like to call the organic search. So Houston Properties, this is a website that's beating Century 21. So that's just one example of a website that can actually outcompete with the big dogs if done properly. And so more importantly than that, I'd like to point out in here that we have, I didn't see that you had a Google My Business page, but whether you're a broker, a realtor, you own your own brokerage, any of those options, you can still have a Google My Business page. So you got Jay Thomas, you have Dave Ellman, Nan and Company, Greenwood King, Danny Garcia. So I would like to see you get a Google My Business page, okay? This is proof that you can get one regardless of your status as an agent. This is Jay Thomas's. For the purpose of this video, this is who I'm going to use. So this is what it'll look like when you get your Google My Business page. As you can see, Jay has 39 reviews with a 4.8. So we recommend minimum 25. So once you get your Google My Business page pulled up, you're going to want minimum 25 reviews. And then obviously, if you want to beat Jay, you're going to want 40 reviews. And then obviously just keep going from there. Completed profile, address, hours, phone, you're going to want to put your website here. And then even more importantly than that, what we recommend is to have 10 photos minimum. So we want 10 photos minimum on your Google My Business page. So as you can see, it looks like Jay has well above 10 photos. The biggest thing is how your photos are saved. So a lot of times when a photo is uploaded to a computer, the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. So a lot of times it'll just say like pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, or it'll be random letters and numbers, okay? No good. We want our photos to be saved with good content that's going to be read on the back end, that's going to bring value to the world. So keep that in mind, 10 photos minimum. And then a lot of times down here at the bottom, Google will have their own photo that's a drive-by. So Jay has a lot of photos. But if you come down here, okay, we're not even going to do that. So a lot of times Google will create a drive-by that they do with their car. That photo doesn't count. That it has to be your own photo, and you're going to want 10 of them. So 10 photos, completed profile, get yourself reviews, some citations, definitely get a Google My Business page, and you'll be on your way to being in the first position where you want it and bringing in leads through that way. And so I have your website up here, divineliferealty.com. So obviously you understand the importance of being online. The real question is this: how many leads are coming through this site? So is this site here just so that you can tell people I have a website? Or is this site here working for you, bringing in leads? That's really what I would say everybody wants. And so as far as the website goes, content, same as the photos, especially in real estate websites with the IDX feed, with all the listing photos, you want to make sure your photos are saved the right way. And it even goes down to the size that you save your photos as. So keep that in mind. Do your homework. Now, as far as content goes, not in saved photos on the back end, we want 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. And so you do have a website. Looks like you do have a couple pages here. Any page you're trying to rank, you're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum. So let's go to mortgage page. Looks like we have maybe 100 words. Okay, 1,500 minimum on any page you're trying to rank. Keep that number in mind. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your website can be found, your domain can be found. And so based on my homework through a tool we use called Ahrefs, up here we have 87 backlinks, or you have, I should say, 87 backlinks from 3 referring domains, but you have 0 keywords you're ranking for and a 1.3 domain rating. So what that leads me to believe is that you're not getting very many, if any, leads from your website unless you tell that person, hi, you know, my name's Tori and this is my website, go there and look, right? But then you did the work. The website didn't do the work, okay? We want the website to do the work. So not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant and not spammy. So just keep that in mind. And we definitely want to see this domain rating go from a 1.3 to 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. And like I said, this is out of 100. So very, very low right now, though. And so other than that, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks and strategies into your website, into your business, into your life, to bring you some more leads and in turn some more money and freedom. And so if you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. Feedback is appreciated, and I hope this video helps.